just Robin, and my friends call me Bob like the Minion, and this is my Camp Leaders 2015 introduction video. So what makes me a good camp counsellor? I'm a strong, independent, determined, fun-loving individual who can't wait to share her experiences with everyone while having the most amazing summer of her life. So what do I do with my spare time? I love to camp, hike, generally be outdoors, archery, arts and crafts, you name it, and I have probably tried it once. I also love to read and to learn new things, and there's nothing better for me than watching a good movie. So I hope that you think that I would be a suitable candidate for your camp this summer, and I look forward to seeing you in the summer. Thank you very much for listening to my application video.